Welcome back everyone, thanks for checking out another video. Curtis brought his 8th gen Civic Si in for a tune today, and I just had to make a video for you guys because this thing put down some great power. It is a K24 swapped turbo setup. I've already done all the tuning like usual. I captured some dyno pulls. I'll go through the build, share some dyno shots, and share the results at the end. All right, like I said, 8th gen Civic Si, so this is a 2009 Honda Civic Si. Curtis has swapped in a K24. It was originally a JDM K24A engine. He has since fully built the engine, installed a full race turbo kit, and yeah, so why don't I just go through the details of the build. So this engine, like I said, JDM K24A, it has pistons and rods, stock sleeves. It is 10.5:1 compression. He does have SuperTech valve train, springs, retainers, stock valves, drag Cartel drop-in cams with a 50-degree VTC wheel, full race turbo kit, Garrett GTX 3076R dual ball bearing turbo, K-Tune 72mm throttle body. He's running Injector Dynamics 1300cc injectors. The car has been converted to a return style fuel system. It has an AEM 340 pump in the tank. The feed line is a -8, the return is a -6. I did tune this on pump gas today. It is on our Petro-Canada 94 Octane Pump Gas. It is tuned on Hondata Flashpro. It also has a full exhaust. It's a full race 3-inch exhaust. So I think that's probably about it for this setup. Why don't we cut to the shots of the dyno pulls, and then I'll share the final results. All right guys, hopefully you enjoyed those dyno pulls, but I'm sure you're eager to see what this thing put down. We did run 2 boost levels with this tune. The owner has a switch where you can switch back and forth between the 2 boost levels. So we ended up running about 10 PSI of boost as his low setting and 16 pounds of boost as his high boost setting today. On the screen, I have the 2 boost levels and how much it made. In red, at 16 and basically 16.5 pounds of boost, put down 609 horse, 437 foot-pounds torque. And on the lower boost setting, which is about 10 pounds of boost, it put down 522 horse and 386 foot-pounds torque. Really good numbers for this amount of boost. It's a super well put together engine. The drag Cartel drop-in cams really do help with this setup, and this engine's nice and strong, can take this amount of power. The fuel system also helped support this kind of power. The injectors are only at about 60% duty cycles, so technically we could probably shoot for more. I would say this is a safe, about around the safe amount for pump gas. I would recommend switching maybe to ethanol after this, but it's totally up to the owner. Anyways, I think that's probably about it for this video. Great results, super nice car. I know the owner's gonna be super happy with this, and hopefully this transmission holds together. So anyways, thanks again for watching guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.